everyone, it's Catherine, and this is my flip through for the month of February. I just got this set up yesterday, and please forgive my nails because I am still quite sick, and I can't handle the nail polish remover right this second. And it's actually part of why we're doing the flip through for February, and I'm not showing you what happened with the month of January because that kind of just fell apart. There was a lot going on. I had family visiting. I got sick, really sick. So like I kind of stopped using it and then I switched to a different one and it's involved. So we're going to try again for this month. So this is a number 2 Foxy Fix. I bought this one off the buy sell trade group. The person had never used it before and it was in pristine condition. So I'm really pleased with it. I got it for a good price. I think it's the Boss Babe in Scarlet. I replaced this elastic because the one that came on it, I feel like the Foxy Fix ones are a little thin and it wasn't holding it shut very nicely, so I replaced it. This is from the Simply Gilded box, I want to say last month, and I just took out the key ring. And then this is from Fur and You. I've never bought from them before, but this is quite pretty. And if you're wondering how these attach, it's just Velcro. So yeah, just leave that aside for now. Okay, this month I didn't do a real theme. I kind of just threw anything I thought was really pretty in there because I couldn't pick. This is my first ever kit from Villa Beautiful. I did buy some like little extras and stuff in the past, but I never bought a kit. So this is my first kit. And this is from the Simply Gilded kit. These are just some like from Michaels and stuff. And I have this paper is Planners Anonymous this month. So yeah, there's a lot of different stuff happening here. This is from the Pop Goes My Heart digital kit from Mummy Lay. And you're gonna see this a lot. There's a lot of freebies in here. So if you like these things, join those Facebook groups. This is Love Cynthia. This was a freebie on her Facebook group. This is from the Sparkly Paper Co. and Fox and Pip collab, which sadly is no more. I was able to get just a few more sticker sheets this morning though, so maybe if I get this up in time, if you hurry, you can put it in the search bar and still get some of those pieces from them. This is like leftover vellum, and I never throw away scraps. Never ever. I laminate them and then I use them to hold washi and just add color. So as you can see, I am still pretty sick, so like this isn't filled out for yesterday and it's not filled out for today. I need to get on that. But this is from the Villa Beautiful box. This is from the Simply Gilded one. It's so pretty. It's like browns and reds and stuff this month. Yeah, I need to do the rest of that. And it's all just kind of like random stuff. Like all of this was on a card that I had from like last year. So I just stuck it in there because I thought it was pretty. Now, please forgive that beeping. I guess I forgot to shut the garage door. It's shutting on its own. I bought the sticker kit to go with the Planners Anonymous kit for this month. So I do need to double check how much that is. I don't normally get it, so that's going to affect my subscription price. And guys, seriously, if you haven't subscribed to Planners Anonymous, do it for at least the next month because oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Check out their Instagram before it's too late. Like I'm in love with that kit. So this is the Mummy Lay. I did drop that sub and then I realized I just couldn't do it. So I am going to resubscribe, and I know the price has changed and it hasn't opened yet. It opens on the 1st, so that's not in there. And then almost done with my Cocoa Daisy sub term. And I put, this is from a Little Bits kit, Be Grateful, so hopefully I don't spend too much for the rest of the month. This is Couture pens. I am so in love with them. If you're feeling kind of disillusioned with pen gems, check them out. They're on Etsy. She reopens the shop the 4th of February, and there'll be 4 new designs. Okay, Planners Anonymous, Fox and Pip, Sparkly Paper Co. collab, Kina Prints, and this is a freebie. You can get it on, there's like a link through the Facebook page, and then these are the washies from the Simply Gilded box. There's one missing. It has words, so I don't usually put those on cards. I just kind of do that when I'm sitting at home. And then these are from Willa. Darn it, why am I trying to say Willa Beautiful? It's Villa Beautiful. This is the Villa Beautiful kit, and that's on a scrap of the vellum Hobby Lobby paper. I love that. And this is like an extra scrap of it, and I just threw it in there for color. And also, you know, if I have washi scraps or stickers and stuff, I'll stick it on there. Pop Goes My Heart kit, a Fox and Pip collab. This is Planners Anonymous, Mummy Lay digital papers, Mummy Lay, Fox and Pip collab. This is vellum that's actually the same print as this, also from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so if you got the Fox and Pip and the Sparkly Paper Company collab, you got a code for this insert for free. Okay, now if you didn't, hurry and go buy it if you like this layout, because I don't think this is staying up forever. I will share with you what I am doing with it because I don't really have a lot going on this week. So yeah, this is from the anniversary box, the Simply Gilded box, Planners Anonymous. This is the last washi from the Simply Gilded box. Mummy Lay, Coffee Monsters. I have to get those guys in there. I love them. And I just, my liner, just kind of colored them in. So far, I'm really liking this insert. If you don't have a ton going on day to day, this is a good one. This is a pocket size. And then this is the Villa Beautiful paper. Unfortunately, I feel like I did this video in the car and it came out great, but there was rustling from my vest. So I've like, no, I can't use that. And I feel like the colors aren't super true to life. This is all coming across darker on the screen than it is in real life. And this is the adhesive pocket. There were 3, and these are the sticky notes that were from the collab. I guess I did that upside down. Whatever. Okay, now this is a set of 4 covers you can get. It's like $1.25. It's really inexpensive. They match the Fox and Pip Sparkly Paper Co collab, and I don't know how long they'll be up, but I did buy that so that I could kind of coordinate everything that's in here. And I just have like my cleaning schedule for the day so that I know what I'm supposed to do. And a freebie from the Love Cynthia Facebook group. It's my little bookmark. Acetate. Okay, let me just, come on. Ollie block clips. So those clips that you see in there, the magnetic ones, they're Ollie block clips. These are the Villa Beautiful. These are the small stickers from the kit, and they're a perfect fit for the Target dollar spot pockets. And I love these. They're so pretty. This is Fox and Pip on their Etsy site, digital download. And this is the vellum from this kit. So, so pretty. And I just like, I don't know why that one's backwards. Some functional boxes. And you can kind of see it. It's pretty, like little washi strips. More, this is like the Fox and Pips, half of that collab, those die cuts, Mummy Lay, Pop Goes My Heart paper. This is just from like the December digital files from her kit, and then this is, I think, October digital file. Sparkly Paper collab. Grumpy Bear loves Couture pens. This is a digital file. As you can tell, I really like digital files. Mummy Lay paper in the background. Mummy Lay, Mummy Lay. I made this. And then this is the latest Fox and Pip Any Plans collab insert. So these inserts are all on Any Plans. I don't like the way this is coming out, so I'm going to redo this one. This first page is just kind of just like a test sheet to see what I wanted, like how I wanted this laid out. I'm trying to organize my craft room, and it's going to be great because I'll have a nice filming space in front of a window there. So this is from the Simply Gilded Anniversary box. They teamed up with Once More with Love, and they did a set of 3 digital downloads. So many downloads. Couture pens. Oh, and I keep saying this, but really I need to just do it. I have custom ink in these pens. I do not like the vast majority of refills for like D1 refills. That is what this kind of pen takes. So what I do is I take Coletto refills, and yes, you can get Coletto refills, but they only come in black, blue, and red, I think. I want more than that. So I take them, I cut them down, and it's like a process, but I can share how I do that. This is Unicorn Planners Facebook group freebie. This is the Planners Anonymous stickers, and I just threw like all of my small sticker sheets in here so that I can kind of keep planning on the go, because last month got really crazy and I just wasn't able to keep up, and I hate it when that happens. So I've started just putting stickers and stuff in my planner, and we're going to see how that pans out, especially because I've decided this month I'm not going to stick to a specific theme. The theme overall is like Valentine's Day and spring and pretty, so there's a lot of pinks, purples, reds, and I'm not going crazy beyond that. This is just like a scrap of leftover paper. I didn't want to toss it, it's so pretty, so it's just a nice background. And then this is a sticky note that I laminated, and I stuck the thank you sticker on there, because this is see-through, so I figure put a little something on the back. This had an accident, so you're not supposed to alter the file, and it does say it's all right, WRITE, at the bottom of this, but I was able to just kind of trim it up, and it's okay now. But yes, it's not supposed to look like that, and I cover my information with washi. I just had that on a card that was left over, and I wanted to get it off the card, so I put it on there. Die cut, just because the pockets are ugly, so I stick things in there. Unicorn Planner freebie, and Jade was nice enough to do a second one for me that says mum, because first of all, nothing ever says mum, and second of all, I can add my mum to the group, but she can't print it out, so yeah. And then also I'm a mum too. I like always forget that, so I'm gonna put one that says mum in mine. Mummy lay paper, mummy lay paper. Okay, now you might be wondering why I have this clear layer over this. This is acetate. It comes in the big notepad. When you search on Amazon, there's like a blue notepad. I forget what it is. It's not the printable stuff. This is like the stuff you can put in the compost pile, I guess. I don't know, it's weird. For whatever reason, this vellum, it prints in such a way that it's just like my printer lays down a lot of ink. So it's not super stable. If your hands are wet or if you spill something on it, like I did last month, it kind of goes everywhere. So I just have this just in case so it doesn't transfer. I don't know, I'm weirdly paranoid. But I took some of like the freebies, and I took some of the like the paid, like I've bought this, that's Create the Cut, Fox and Pip. This is the Mummy Lay stuff, and I just created this little vellum to go over this, because this is a very ugly, this doesn't have a cover, and I kind of left it like that on purpose so I could just put something different over it each month. This is vellum I made, more that Hobby Lobby paper. I buy huge stacks of that, it's my favorite. And these are just like the Copic colors that I have, and then I put like my other pens and stuff in there, so when I'm out and about I know what I have. And I always have at least one mild liner. I've learned that I can't live without those. This is like, I want to say Joann's or something. There was like a Joann's or Michael's. I don't even know where that's from. But like, these are like, that's Joann's. This is like the from the big tubes. So these are Love Cynthia. And this is like that card I was talking about. I had a card I want to use up, so all of those are on my like mood and hydrate trackers are from there. And then this, oh, I love it. I've never bought like a proper kit from her. just like individual sheets or whatever, and I love it. I'm so glad. I've been kicking myself for not buying from her, so I'm so glad to have a kit. And it's the exact right size that it can fit in a pocket size pocket. And I don't want to have another month where like I get off track, so I just stuck the whole thing in here. Like this is the entire kit, freebie and all. And if I get stuck, well, it's okay because I have my whole month, the basic schedule in there on that sticky note, and then I have this, and between that and the washi, I should be good to go. Yeah, so this is the setup for February. I know this was like a super long video, but I just wanted to be sure that I shared where I got everything, because I always hate it when people go through and like you're not sure. You see something you like, the Ollie block, I made these, you know, just so that I could let you know where I got it all from. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. Hi, buddy. Yes, thank you. Thumbs up.
Because I like it.
Because you like it.
This and this.
Oh, okay.
I like the big one.
Oh, okay. So you like it. So you're going to give it a physical thumbs up. That works too. Okay.
Two thumbs up.
Ooh, I feel fancy now. So feel free to give it a virtual and a physical thumbs up. One or two if you liked it. And subscribe. Thanks, bud. All right. Bye, guys. See you next time.